This is an amazing grass. It is called needle and thread.
Here's the blue.
The needle and thread is an interesting native grass. It does various things that other grasses don't. It has a needle and an awn on it. So what is the amazing thing about this type of grass, needle and thread?
This? See how
Yeah.
it's straight?
Yes?
Long and straight. It's got a lot of moisture in it. When it goes into the ground and it dries out, it curls like this. It drills the thing into the ground.
So it creates a drill. That makes it fire resistant, so if a fire comes through here, the seeds are drilled to the ground so they don't get burnt up?
Yeah. In the dirt, they're not. And it depends on how hard it hits the duff, too.
And it also is affected by humidity, affects it as well?
Yes.
That's what makes it twist. So right now this is straight.
It's still green.
Because it's still green. There's a right what one?
Ripe. Ripe. Almost ripe.
Cool.
See how it's got the twist in the on?
Yeah.
Starting to dry out.
Twist in the on.
No twist. Still almost there.
Okay. So you can see the little rings. Okay, and then I'm going to spray it. Moving. Wow, that is so cool. I can't believe I'm geeking out on this seed. So this white part is the seed, and this is the, what is it? What is the end? On. It's called an on. So the on breaks off of this little is the seed part, and the on breaks off. But it also has the little windy things on it, winding it. And it's all doing it by himself. I'm not doing anything, and it's moving by itself. So this is the needle and thread grass.
Oh, look at it. Move its little tail. Look, it's like moving its little awn there. When it gets wet. Its little awn is moving. Oh my God, that is so stinking cool.
The other amazing thing about it is that when it's green, it's full of nutrients. But when it dries out, it becomes very harmful to the animal that eats it. Very interesting little grass.
But you go up here, still white. See it?
So that, yeah.
I mean, that one's gone, obviously, and that one's missing one. But when you pull it out, that one still a little green.
That out there is all needle and thread. And it's drying still. It's still half green and half dry. Many times when you're harvesting native seeds, you have to come check on the plant. So the plant will bloom, and then it has a life cycle in which it makes seed. Some plants are pollinated by insects, while others are pollinated by wind.
Needle and thread grass is pollinated by wind.
Today, Mike and I came out to try to check to see if we can harvest the needle and thread. However, it's been a very cool spring and it's not ready to harvest yet. So we will come back here unless there's something else we want to harvest instead. We're here at the second time to check the needle and thread and to see if it's ready to harvest. So let's walk along with Mike to see if it is. Guess I'll get my bucket and work for a bit. Is it coming off at all? A little bit?
A little bit.
Oh, wow. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll work for an hour and see.